Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Najmalina and today we're going to be making this flowered LED mirror. It was actually suggested to me by my friend Haleemah and she saw it on the Northern Hibiscus page and they're a lifestyle blog. Check them out and check her out. She has an amazing boutique in Abuja. So if you want to just buy the LED mirror for £70 plus, you can, and then add the flowers. But this is a budget mirror. So you're going to need your flowers, your trusted glue gun, extra glue sticks, your vanity mirror lights. I'll place a link down below where I bought my things from. And of course your mirror. It says Argos right on top of that box, so yeah, it's from Argos, but I will place a link down below. And this does come in white as well. And like I said, if you want to buy an LED mirror, you can, and then just skip out the next step. So get your mirror and your LED lights. I kind of just used my eye to measure the spaces out, and I used 3 along the long sides and then 2 along the shorter sides. But if you want to go ahead and measure them out, that's totally up to you, but I wasn't really too fast. I just used my eye and my fingers apparently. These LED lights have these sticky backs, so all you need to do is take off the protective paper and then just press firmly down, and they actually do grip well to the wood. So now it's time to place down our flowers. Here there is no wrong. It's totally up to you. I mean, it's your flower, it's your mirror, your flower mirror. So place it down how you want and use the flowers you want. I love roses, so I chose roses. In the inspiration, I think they used peonies. I think that's how you say it, peonies? Peonies? I don't know. But yeah, just place it down how you want. As you can see, at the edge where my LED lights are, I left it at the bottom corner so that I can put it behind and underneath the stand of the mirror. But yeah, carry on and put your leaves. I think adding a bit of greenery to it makes it look so much more better. Gives it that je ne sais quoi. I don't know any French, but I know je ne sais quoi and bonjour. But yeah, let me not get off topic. So just carry on placing your flowers till it's full and how you want it. You can leave spaces if you want, like the inspiration did, but I just wanted mine to be full. LED lights I chose have a dimmer, and so they get brighter when you press it, or dimmer. You can dim them down, and they have a USB connection, so you can join it up to your laptop. It's so great. And here's your close-up. This is how our mirror looks, and here it is with our dimmers on. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.